Hey friends, hi. So in this video, we'll talk about how you can edit and create videos like After Effects, the kind of motion graphic video that you get in After Effects, and the templates that you can use in After Effects and create this amazing motion graphic videos. Now, After Effects is a little technical software. It's complex. You've got to really learn, understand the editing, and how you can use all the complex tools in After Effects. But with this platform, which I'm about to show you, which is called Renderforest, this is an amazing AI-driven intuitive platform where you can easily edit and create motion graphics videos on this platform, just like After Effects. And you don't really have to be, trained in After Effects, and you have to learn After Effects to use all those graphics and motion graphics and animations the way you do it in After Effects. This platform gives you pretty similar and amazing videos you can create using this platform, which is an AI-driven intuitive platform. And this platform has some amazing templates all done up and ready, just like After Effects. Now the only thing is, it's not as complex as After Effects. You can very easily edit your motion graphic videos on this platform in no time. And you can create all your marketing videos, business videos, your presentations, and you can give them that stunning look and effect just the way you get in After Effects and motion graphic videos. And you also don't need to really hire expensive professionals and freelancers and animators, or go to any production agency to get your motion graphic videos done. You don't need any technical skills. This platform is pretty crazy, pretty amazing, where it has all done up. All you have to do is replace your images and video clips, and it will render and give you an output, an amazing motion graphic output. So as you can see in this drop down menu, they have various different genres that you could utilize or you could select from to create your video. So you can do your intros, your animations, you can do your video editing, you can do your YouTube videos, you can do slideshows, video presentations, video invitations, tons of different styles of animation they have, all pre-done. So I'm currently doing this video for a client of mine who is a real estate client, and so I'm wanted to get a video edit done for them. So I picked up this platform where I can easily edit and create a nice motion graphic video for my client. For this video, I have selected, let's say, the slideshows. So I select the slideshows. Right. So as I come in here, they have tons of different styles of pre-done, pre-animated templates. All motion graphics. So if I were to select any, you can actually hover over the thumbnail and see the styling of that particular template. So like this one, it goes like this. So you can select based on the styles that the template has. Next, if I go to this one, fragmented transitions. So it shows the kind of graphics and animation I'll get in this, and they are pretty very well done. All motion graphics pretty well done. And let's see if I go to this one, wedding rings opener. So very classy. So it's very different style. So if I were to use any classy theme, maybe I can take up this. If I go to this Polaroid photo gallery, so if you have photographs and you want to create a motion graphic video out of this, you can select maybe this. So they have tons of different. You want to do any happy birthday animations, so see how they are. It's pretty cool. So various different styles. Let's say if you're doing any book promotion, so you can use this template and have your book promotion video done. So pretty amazing. They have tons of different, like they have this parallax templates which you get in After Effects. So pretty neat. If you have still images, you want to give them motion, you can use this parallax circles template. So all you do is select this. Let's say if I click on this, if I play this video template, that's how it is. It's all done up. All you have to do is hit create now, and you got to keep replacing images, and you can get a video out of this. That's how amazing it is. Right. So there are tons of different motion graphic templates. You can log on to this platform, and you can sign up for free and keep browsing all of these motion graphic templates and the ones that you would like to use. In this video, I am using this particular template, which is called Minimal Photo Slideshow. this works well for me for this video, so I select this. So let's review the template.
Renderforest.com.
Right, so this is the template that we've selected for our edit. So I've already done that. I have created my edit along using this template, which is right over here. Yes. So as you can see, this is the entire one second. I selected the wrong one. Yeah. So as you can see, there is this whole timeline which has been ready, and I have inserted the logo animation that I've done on Renderforest, and these are all my clips. These are all my video clips that I've inserted in this template. You know, that's how it is. So I've inserted all my video clips around here, which we had rendered on a different software, and we have imported all of these MP4s in this particular template. So this entire timeline is ready. You know, it's all done up. Right. So now all we have to do is render this particular timeline. I'll just check the music. So okay, there is this. Okay, so I would add. So let me select the music. All these music options that you can select from, and basically quickly have your music done. So it's all ready. It's all done up and ready. Right. So let me have this. Okay, music library. So let me just select a couple of more options. If I go to corporate music, cinematic music, let's say this inspiring victory. So maybe I can select this. Yeah, so we're there. Right, so the music has been added. The edit line is ready. So I just go to preview and I do an HD export. So you can export in 720 HD export. You also have 4K. So I do an HD export. Right, so to start the export now. So it will take some time for the render to get ready. So maybe it will take another 2 or 3 odd minutes for this render to get ready. I will show you the clip once it's ready, right?
Hey friends, hi. So our video is ready. Let's have a look what kind of output we have got. So let me play the video. Right, so we have this video ready with all the packaging done. So it hardly took any time. I mean, we kind of had this done in like what 30 minutes. So that's the power of Renderforest. The kind of templates and motion graphic template it has, it's effortless. You don't really have to have all those technical skills to work on After Effects and other motion graphic softwares. It's all there. Anyone, any amateur who doesn't have much technical skills, editing skills, can easily edit using Renderforest and create some amazing motion graphic projects. So I guess, yeah, so that's what I wanted to convey in this video. And if you want to try and explore Renderforest, I've given the link to sign up in the description below in this video. So you can sign up for free, get started, explore the software, explore how it can help you, how it can add value to your production, to your marketing videos, to your business videos, whatever that you are looking to achieve. So I believe that's it for now in this video, and I'll see you sometime very soon in the next video. Thanks, bye.